Hello, sorry for the delay in this next video, but life happens. So here we go with part 2. Hope it helps somebody. In this picture you can see I've got my floor down. And moving on, I got my sides set. This is all just kind of to get an idea of where everything's going to line up. As you'll see here in a minute, I decided to go with a little bit of a slant on the front to kind of help with, I don't know, aerodynamics. I decided to go with 2x2s to support the walls. And I tried to use as much of the old hardware as possible, obviously to keep the cost down. Still got a long ways to go, but I think it's taken shape. I have 2 supports to put up on the top here. And then moving right along. Here I'm just trying to fit the plywood, make sure everything is lined up correctly and cut to the right size. And then I wanted to make sure everything got painted so we don't have mold or anything like that growing. I used a 2x4 for my main beam across the bed support. It's nice when you got somebody to help you. You did a good job. Okay, now we're gonna flip it up, let it dry so we can move on. We got another board to do, and then we have to flip them over and do that back, the underside. I'll speed it up a little bit so you don't have to watch this whole thing. Okay, now that everything is secured, I think I'm pretty happy with it. I still got a little bit of trim work I'm going to do on the edges before I seal it all up. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I may do a little trim work yet on the edges. And then I still have the storage compartment doors to put in. And then should be ready to go for the summer. So it still needs a lot of work, but progress. And then we'll probably use it for the summer, and then I'll start working on it some more. And here's the cutouts. Just used a skill saw. I'll go ahead and speed this up because this is pretty basic stuff here. I'm just going to put some weather sealing around it, screw in the original storage doors, and make sure it's watertight. I probably went a little overboard on the weather sealing, but I just really did not want it to leak. Now with both sides done, it's time to move on to the next part. We have plans to replace the flooring with some new tile and some other odds and ends. So keep checking back, and thanks for watching, and happy camping.